Yes, sir. Everything's reset to 0.
The test that we're going to be executing is a rocket sled test at the 10,000-foot sled track. We're clamping the motor down onto some shoes which attach it to the single rail on the west rail. We're going to fire that motor off. It's going to get up to about 3,200 feet per second. We're exercising our team for this. Some techniques of taking some new photometric data. We're exercising some kind of older techniques that we're not as familiar with on being able to energize a system while that motor is in motion.
Attention all stations, we're approximately 1 minute from a sled launch at the 10K sled track.
There's a lot of planning that goes into these tests. This one we probably started about 6 to 8 months ago, and it's amazing how much work goes into the 3 to 6 seconds that it takes to execute these tests.
Photo 1, ready for sled launch.
We've developed new techniques with optical tracking markers that are really robust in the field and give us that sub-pixel tracking and determine to potentially a 20th of a pixel or a 100th of a pixel the location of the markers.
ANF, you are authorized to begin arming steps.
Hypersonics is really a growing area within Sandia and in defense, and so we want to be able to help safely test their equipment and their systems.
Copy, all teams in console, ready to receive trigger.
All clear.
3, 2, 1, 0.
We've been able to optimize the setup so that we don't have to have any artificial lighting and get high quality data just with natural lighting.
Testing in real life gives you the real world results of what's going to happen.
All test personnel, we had a successful fire.
So I always view a success of a test is that everyone goes home the same way that they came to work. And for me to see everybody come together and execute and the pride in the work that people do, that's what's really cool for me as a test director.